So let's cut the exhaust off the truck and see what it sounds like. Some people might be thinking, now why in the world would you go and do something like that? Well, the answer is very simple. Truck's too quiet. Let's hear it. As you can tell, it kind of sounds similar to a riding lawnmower. So what I am going to do is a muffler delete. You can see down there is that big old muffler. And somehow there's a catalytic converter on this truck. I'll plan to keep that and just do the muffler delete. But if that still makes this truck really quiet, then we might have to take that too. But let's hope for some decent sound once this is gone. Okay, I got it cut off right there. And the plan is to bring a pipe back down and do a side exit on the truck. But let's see how it sounds. That sounds pretty dang good. I'm pretty impressed with that. Now let's get that sound out from under the bottom of the car and let's bring it out. So the piping that I do have is way larger. In the inner and outer diameter is the stock piping here. So it goes on there, and I'd say it's about an inch difference in size, maybe an inch and a half. So I'll show you what I'm going to do to resolve that. So this is the easiest way for me to do this without having to go and buy smaller diameters to make this fit to the truck exhaust. I'm gonna cut slits in it, bend it in, weld those slits, and it should fit on the truck. Got it all beat in to where I need it. Now, just have to weld it. Okay, we've got it all closed up. It's not beautiful, but functional. Remember, everything I do is on a budget, so judge me if you will. This is what we're gonna do. So I've gotten as far as I can today, but I'm gonna come back out tomorrow, finish this video. We're gonna install this on the truck and make the side exit and stuff. It's gonna be pretty dope. Definitely not the prettiest thing. Looks ridiculous. But luckily it'll be under the truck and it'll be functional. There's no leaks or anything. It's all the way through. Yeah, should be fine. Take a look at this real quick before we sound test it. That is the new exhaust. Let's do a recap of what it sounds like with the exhaust cut off. Now let's hear what it sounds like with the side exit. That's the old exhaust. When I pulled it out from under the car, it was leaking. So in the truck, it was facing this way, all right? So that means that it is just full of nasty stuff. You hear it? Now it sounds pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Let me know what we should do next to the truck. I got door handles coming. We could do bed liner. Yeah, just let me know.